sleeves. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. For no sleeves, due to the fact that I'm just literally riding in the neighborhood. It's nothing too crazy right now, so I'm just like, you know what? It's almost 9 degrees. I am not about to, I'm really not about to wear a hoodie right now. But yeah, I was supposed to wear a hoodie, but I'm just like, I'm literally riding around the neighborhood. It's not that serious, but I know once I, you know, basically I'm just testing out my bike today. And I got this GoPro mic, and I didn't realize I needed an adapter, so I had to wait for that. Then the temperature dropped. It was a bunch of stuff, so I'm just like, you know what? I'm not even motivated to ride. I can't figure this out. Then I ended up figuring it out. So let me know in the comments below how you like it. I mean, I think anything would be better than what I was doing before, which was literally just recording, and hopefully y'all can hear me. If you couldn't, you couldn't. So I just had to make sure I talk a lot louder than what I normally, for rent. I just had to make sure I talk louder than what I normally do, so y'all can hear me, because what is the point of, you know, playing my audio if y'all can't even hear what I'm saying? So back to the GoPro incident. So I ended up getting the adapter, blah blah blah. I finally figured it out not too long ago. I was going to test it out today, like what I'm doing right now, and then I was supposed to, I can't get my words out. I was supposed to test today and then ride actually tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain in the morning, so I was just like, you know what? Alright, back to what I was saying, because I'm about to make a U-turn right now. It is so hot, y'all. But yeah, clearly I can't get my words out. I actually want to see what's down here. But yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow and everything like that, so I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna ride today and hope for the best. But yeah, some updates aside from, you know, getting this new mic, which, you know, like I said before, leave it in the comments, because I really want to know how y'all like the mic. If you like it, then, you know, let me know for sure. Or if I have to just talk louder, please let me know. I always play it back, but, you know, when you play back your own audio, it's a lot different than other people hearing it, to make sure, like, hey, am I talking too loud or am I not talking loud enough? So that's the GoPro. Aside from that, I got a PC. Now, I'm not like a legit big gamer or trying to be an aspiring streamer or anything like that. I just simply like playing video games, and so I decided to just get a PC. Times have changed, and I'm in a better position to where I have a lot of free time. So I'm just like, you know, let me just get a PC. So it actually was delivered. Hold on, let me do this U-turn. There we go. So it was actually delivered right before I was supposed to ride my bike. So I'm just like, you know, I want to go home and set it up, but I also want to ride my bike and film like a little video to give y'all another update. But I'm so freaking excited, y'all. I do have another YouTube channel that I don't have any videos on it yet. It's just strictly for the fact that, like, okay, if I like my, you know, I'm still gonna record some videos of me playing the game and stuff like that. And if y'all like simulation games or anything like that, that's the game. Those are the games that I will be playing. So yeah, just have my personality kind of shine within the game system, and you know, I'm gonna go from there. But I'm definitely gonna still ride my motorcycle. The weather has gotten better. Like, it's approaching springtime, which is my the best time to ride my bike. Normally I like fall time, but you know, that's that. So yes, I am, well, I already got it actually. So I'm excited to just unbox that when I get home. I was just like, ugh. I have to update y'all because it's been over a month since I filmed a video. And I'm just like, I'm pretty sure y'all are just like, what in the world is Brianna doing? Like, what is she doing? Y'all want to talk to me and stuff like that, which I am so sorry, y'all. I keep saying the same stuff, but in my defense, are y'all listening? In my defense, the weather was bad. And then when the weather wasn't bad, I was busy. So, you know, life still happens. I mean, I'm an adult, so I have stuff that I have to do. By the time I get home, sometimes I'm not in a position to ride, or I have other stuff that I have to do. So it is what it is. But, you know, now that I got this new audio system, I'm going to play back my video later and hope that this audio is good enough for me to continue to make longer rides, because that is the goal. I want to test out this mic in the neighborhood. If the mic is good enough, then guess what? I'm going to take it further and then just start doing more videos like that, because I still have this motorcycle jacket that I bought, but I never rode with it yet, because I'm just like, I'm not doing far enough rides yet to where I'm just like, I'm just in a neighborhood or doing my normal routes to the point where I'm just like, okay, it's not necessary right now, but you know, give or take, I'm gonna be out there styling and profiling, you know. Like I said before, this wasn't like a crazy video where I'm updating y'all and just going miles and miles away from my house. It was just like simply like me just testing out this mic, making sure everything's working,